Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy fall, y'all. You guys, it's October 1st. October 1st. It's my favorite month of the year. I love fall. I have an unboxing to do today, and I'm really excited about these. So I got one from Pammy's Planty Things. She found one of my wish list plants at her local nursery, and we exchanged Venmo accounts with each other. So if I was to find any of her wish plants, I can send them to her. And if she was to find any of mine, she would send them to me, and then I could just Venmo her the cost of the plant plus shipping. So she found it. It was really inexpensive. I want to say it was like 15 bucks. Pam, is that right? Correct me if I'm wrong. I can't remember. Actually, I'll tell you right now. Let me check my Venmo account real quick. So I lied. I sent her 10 bucks for this wish list plant, and that's including shipping, you guys. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Wait till you see what it is. And then I also have this box to unpack, and this box is from Kellie Gross. Kellie over on Instagram. I'm gonna link her handle below. Thank you so much for sending these to me. She messaged me and reached out and was like, hey, I'm getting rid of some plants and I just really want to see them go to a good home. And she follows my channel and my Instagram page, so she asked me if I wanted some, and I told her, yeah. So I kind of picked out the plants that she was giving away that I wanted, and I just paid her, I think 14 or 15 bucks for shipping, and she shipped them over to me. So essentially these plants are free. Thanks to Kellie. You're awesome. So I'm really excited to get into both of these boxes. So I think first I'll start with my wish list plant. Let me move my coffee. You guys, I was in Arizona a couple weeks ago, and I realized I have not posted in a week because I've been so busy catching up with my day job, with editing people's galleries for their weddings, and I finally got caught up last night at like midnight. So happy October, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's get into this. I love unboxings. I don't do unboxings quite often anymore because if I'm being honest, I don't shop for plants very much anymore because I have too many. So I've been kind of like on this unofficial no buy for the past couple of months. I put paper over my address and now I can't get in the box. Oh dear. It's always like surgery getting in it. I want to be careful because I don't want to cut the plant. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. Wish list plant. So the disclaimer, this might not be on everybody's wish list, but it most certainly was on mine. Ooh, it's a little messy. So I think I'm gonna open it. Actually, I'm gonna use the paper she sent, put it on my desk, and then it's easy cleanup. I don't have my microphone on because I'm inside, so sorry for the crumbling. Okay, now I look like an artist. Ah. Ooh. All right, let's get into it. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Let's do this because then I can grab the pot. It's a little messy, but you can see what it is. It is a Micans, guys. I finally have a Micans, and it completely came out of the pot. I see she put tape and paper on here, but you know, the post office probably just bonked it around so much that it all came out. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Let me get these roots back in here. Get in there, little guys. She even sent a little label, which I don't know. Philomicans. It's my dirty little label. Now let me show you a close-up of these leaves. Oh, we had a casualty. But look at how pretty, guys. Oh, so pretty. I'm gonna get this cleaned up, and then at the end of the video, I'll do like a once-over so you guys can see it all cleaned up. But the markings on these, I just love. And I don't know why it took me so long to get one, but they're just so pretty. There's like, it's like a super, super deep green with like some hints of burgundy. I love it. Okay. Plant number 1 down, and look at, there's like new growth coming out of here too. This is like a new leaf here. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's see if I could do this. My hands are a little dirty, so I'm gonna take this and do this. Oh, I am skillful. And I'm gonna bring this to the kitchen and we're gonna get it cleaned up, and I'll be right back. I don't know about you guys, but I just can't like function in a dirty environment. Like, my house is dusty, don't get me wrong, like it's not always clean. But like if my desk is like cluttered or dirty or just, I just can't function. I have to clean it, even with plants. Okay, package number 2. I still have my cough. It's not going away, guys. I hope I'm not dying. Okay, let's get into Kellie Gross's package, which is also packaged pretty well. My tape never wants to stick. Oh, she left a little note. Thank you so much, Nicole. I hope they have arrived safe and alive. I really appreciate you and your channel. Kellie. Oh, so sweet. Okay. She also included some handy dandy paper. You guys, when I do plant swaps or if I get plant mail, I always save this stuff so that I can repurpose it when I send people plants during, you know, my plant swap. I'm just realizing that my hair is cut off, but see, I do have hair. It's right there. It's messy, so it's good that it's cut off actually. Okay, I'm not sure if she put the names of these plants in here, and we all know how I am with plant names. So, as always, I'd love it if you guys commented in the comment section below with what these are, if they don't have names attached. Okay, first up is, oh, these are like maybe kalanchoes. So they're really wet, and unfortunately some of the leaves are coming off, but I think that I can just snip it there and then I can always just pot it up and let it callus over. So there's one, and then there's one more here. Also, like some of the leaves are a little wet. I think they just are they were just a little too wet in the package, but that's okay. We'll get them potted up in no time. I'm actually gonna bring that piece of paper, or maybe I'll use this, and we'll put them down right on there. There we go. 1, 2. These are definitely a succulent of some sort. And now we have, yeah, see the water in the bag? I think she just may have wet them just a little too much, but that's okay. You want to have it wet, but not dripping wet. Well, some plants like it. Like this one. Wow, look at these roots, you guys. Look at this. Ooh, what plant is this? Which one is this? I can't remember. Look at how purple. How pretty. I hope my camera is focusing and not on my face. Look at that. Wowzers. This one's super happy. I feel like this one grew roots probably in the package on the way over here. Awesome. I cannot remember the name of that one, and it's bothering me. Ooh, I think this is a Scindapsus. Now this is packaged great. There's not a ton of water in there. Ooh, look at these roots. Yeah, I think this is a Scindapsus. Look how pretty. Those markings on there are gorgeous. And the roots, ooh. I could look at the roots of plants all day. This is so pretty, and it looks like there might be a new leaf coming in there. I had one of these, disclaimer, and it died. So I'm really happy to have this back in my collection. And I love little plants. Guys, like this, if you guys want to do a plant swap with me, this is the size of the plants that I'm like looking for. Sounds strange, yes, but I have limited space and this is like perfect for me right now. Especially after bringing my plants inside for the winter months, which stay tuned for that video. I feel like that's right where I'm at with it. Small plants is where we're going. Ooh. Oh, this one is, I think this is this a jade of some sort? Possibly. Ooh, we lost a leaf. That's okay. But tell me what you think this one is. And I mean, I'm sure Kelly can comment and tell me what they all are. Very succulent-y, very hardy. I think that might be a jade. And then there's another cutting in here. Grab it. Oh, this one came off with the stem, but that's okay. I could pop it in the soil. Ooh, and I think that's it. I think I picked 4 of them. Yes. Yeah, that's it. Well, they're all looking pretty good, except for these 2 succulents in the beginning. But like I said, I could just pop these leaves off, and this middle section, I'll just snip it, let it callus, and it'll grow. Same thing with this one here. The middle leaves are perfect. And I am so excited. This one, oh man. I cannot remember the name of it, but let's look at this one more time. Those leaves on there. Look at that print. How purple is that? It's like a chartreuse. And the roots, like, whoa. Okay. So much fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new plants I get to pot up. I'm excited. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to clean up these succulents, find the pots, because I actually think I might need to buy more pots. I'm running out, guys. I'm running out. But I'm excited. If you hear my dogs, it's because they're in here sniffing. Jazzy, go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down on the rug. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for joining me in this little unboxing video. Super special thank you to Pam for always looking out and sending me my mic-ins. Now I can cross it off my list. And a really special thank you to Kelly. You're so sweet. Thank you so much for donating your plants to my household. I love them and I can't wait to pot them up. And yeah, that's it. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Gotta go buy pots. What time is it? Is Home Depot open?